So, about you and your job. You did what you were told to do. You showed up early. You stayed late. You took responsibility. You didn't quit when things got hard. And yet, when you look ahead, the numbers don't feel right. Retirement feels far away. Savings don't feel strong enough. Time feels like it's speeding up. That quiet fear you feel is awareness, and most people respond to that awareness the wrong way. If you've worked hard for years and still feel stuck, this is for you. Not because you're incompetent, not because you're broken, but because no one ever showed you a structured path to freedom that doesn't blow up your life. Today, I'm going to show you why Chart Whisperer exists, and how to build control over your money and your future without panic, hype, or gambling. Most people go looking for answers and find noise instead. Just quit. Just take the leap. Go all in. It sounds brave. It sounds bold. It ruins people. They get burned out. And burnout mixed with panic leads to rushed decisions. And rushed decisions cost money, time, and confidence. I'm about to show you the exact mistake that wipes out most beginners before they ever get consistent. Because it's not what you might think. Chart Whisperer isn't for people who need motivation, it's for people who need structure. You're not looking for hype and big dreams. This is a real plan for people who are looking for one that is based in reality. Your job is not a prison. It's your cash flow. It's fuel while you build skill and work your plan. At Chart Whisperer, we don't burn bridges. We use them to cross safely from where we are to where we want to be. Now let's talk about the thing you're probably curious about but may not fully trust yet. Day trading. If you felt a hesitation after hearing that, it's okay. It's healthy. Most people jump into trading because they feel they are falling behind. They think it's their only shot at salvation. But that pressure makes them trade too big, too fast, and without rules. That's how accounts get clobbered. We've seen it happen over and over again. It's not the market that destroys people. Oversized and emotional trading is what destroys them. That's why Chart Whisperer treats trading as a skill and not a last-minute rescue plan. Now I'll show you the one rule that protects accounts more than any indicator ever will. Here it is. Before you enter any trade, you must know exactly where you're getting out if you're wrong, and you do not move that exit farther away. We start small. We survive first. You don't need big wins. You need consistency. If you make a mistake, you need to stop the bleeding so you live long enough to learn and trade another day. If you're thinking, I can't afford to gamble with my future, you're right. You have responsibilities. That's why we don't offer hot tips or trade with rent money. Every trade has a plan. When the setup isn't there, we do nothing. That's discipline, and discipline is what keeps you in the game long enough to build freedom. Let me tell you what really wipes people out. It's not one bad trade, it's comparison. Online trading gurus may show highlight reels which can tempt people to push harder, size up, and break their rules. That's when the real damage happens. Here's the truth. The traders who survive and thrive are boring, patient, and rule-focused. Breaking rules is not an option. Progress is measured by composure and behavior, not money. But here's where it gets interesting. The real edge isn't in the charts, it's in what you do immediately after experiencing a loss. Confusion can cost a lot of money. There are many charts, indicators, alerts, and opinions. Too much information shuts the brain down, and when that happens, emotions take over. Chart Whisperer simplifies everything. One market, one setup, and one risk rule. A setup is just a repeatable situation. There is no predicting or guessing. You're not trying to outsmart the market. You're trying to keep your wits about you and stay calmer than your emotions. Here's where most people spiral. They take a loss and immediately try to make it back as fast as they lost it. That's called revenge trading, and it's how small losses turn into big ones. What we do instead is simple. After a loss, we apply the brakes and ask, did I follow my rules? If you did not, you stop trading. If you did follow your rules, then a loss is just part of the process, so you can move on and take the next setup. Remember, no rules means no trade, and that habit alone protects accounts. Now I'm going to show you why this has nothing to do with trading and everything to do with control. Most people don't blow up because they didn't know the right indicator. They blow up because they lose control. They start trading from stress, from urgency, and from fear. And when you trade from fear, you don't follow rules, and that's the real problem. So here's the path. Step 1. Stabilize your life. That means make sure your bills are covered, your rent money is not on the line, and you're not trading because you have to make money today. If trading losses can ruin your month, you're not in a trading phase. you're in a rebuilding cycle. If that is the case, your job is simple. To cut the pressure, lower expenses wherever you can. Pay down any high-stress debt, and build a small buffer so life stops feeling like an emergency. Step 2. Build yourself a freedom fund. This is not an investing account, and it's not your trading account. It's a cash buffer that buys you breathing room. Start with 1 month of basic expenses, then build it to 2 months, then 3. The goal isn't to feel rich, it's to feel calm. Because when you have a buffer, you stop forcing trades. You can wait for clean setups. You will sleep better at night if you can say no trade without panic. Step 3. Build your skills the safe way. That means trade smaller share sizes, minimize risk, and only take simple setups that you can explain in 1 sentence. Step 4. Strive for consistency. Not 1 good week, but a steady month, then 2, and then 3. Once you've established consistency, then you can scale up. Doing so protects your mental health, your family, and your confidence, because it keeps you in charge instead of letting the market jerk you around. So, who is Chart Whisperer for? It's for people who worked hard and still feel behind. It's for people who don't trust hype anymore. It's for people who want consistent rules instead of big promises. It's for people who know they have something to lose and want to protect it. No shortcuts, no fake confidence. Just calm, rule-based trading and long-term thinking. That's what will get your results. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You need to be consistent. If you want structure instead of stress, planning instead of panic, and a path instead of pressure, then this channel was built for you. Subscribe and start building your future the right way.